Good morning. Today, let us learn a new chapter, Conquering Distances. The most important invention of early man in the field of transportation was wheel. The very beginning, man found log of peace was rolling down the hill. From this, he got the concept of making wheel. A log of wood was cut into slices and it was converted into wheel. And the wheel was applied on different carts. Thus, he made his first wheel. The second important invention of early man in the field of transportation was the steam engine. It was invented by a British scientist, James Watt. The beginning steam engine was applied on power loom and later on locomotive or railway engines. There are two main types of land transport, roadways and railways. Then roadways are of different types. In the village, trees are cut down and the ground is leveled and it is paved with stones and level with mud. Such roads are called or muddy roads are called kacha roads. In English, it is called unmetalled roads. Unmetalled roads are generally found only in villages. And along the kacha roads, we can find different types of carts. And carts are generally pulled by different types of animals. The background you can see here, this cart is pulled by a bull. Here, horse is applied. Instead of engine, horse is applied. Here, horse is pulling this cart. Right hand side, two bulls. It is also pulling another cart. Other than this, even buffaloes are also used for pulling cart. See, for pulling heavy objects, camel is used. Then metalled roads. When the village is developing slowly, it is cemented, kacha roads are cemented or it is applied with tar or bitumen, paved with bitumen, and with the help of road roller, the road is leveled. We cannot make all the roads pakka or metalled. Due to lack of money, we cannot make all the roads in villages pakka roads because our country is just developing only. In big cities, we can find another type of roads. It is flyovers are there. Pakka roads are there, wide roads. Plus, to avoid traffic jam or rush, above one road, another road is constructed. See, here one road is moving. Above that, another road is also constructed. Two roads. The land is limited, but to avoid a traffic jam, two roads ply simultaneously at the same time, two roads. Or wherever there is a crossing, flyovers are built or constructed. Main purpose is to avoid traffic jam or rush of the cities. Then highway. Highways are wide roads are called highways, very wide. Highways are divided into two parts. Left hand side for ongoing, right hand this is for incoming vehicles. And each part is again two parts. This is slow moving and this one for fast moving vehicles. Okay, highway is a wide pakka road or metal road. It is divided into two parts. One part is for ongoing, another one for incoming vehicles. Highways are of two types, state highways and national highways. State highways are connecting so many cities within the state. They are constructed by the state government and maintained or looked after by the same state government. But national highways, they are connecting so many cities of many states. National highways are constructed by the central government or the union government. National highways are known in different names: freeways, expressways, etc. National highways are very wide, wider than state highways. Points to remember. Highways are divided into two parts. One part for incoming, another part for ongoing vehicles. Vehicle means car, bus, jeep, everything is coming under vehicle. Then, flyovers are found in busy cities, not in all the cities. Some large cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Cochin, Bangalore, Chennai, these cities we may find flyovers. Main purpose is to reduce traffic jams. Metal roads are called pakka roads. Animal driven cars are generally move on kacha or unmetalled roads. Okay, the great invention or the most important invention in the field of transportation was wheel and later steam engine. Steam engine was invented by a British scientist James Watt. Not George, James Watt invented. Okay, you may rewind it and see it again until you understand. This is the end of this slide. The rest we see the next slide or tomorrow we'll see. Okay, we will continue. Thank you very much.